Hello student, welcome to MDC Learning. So in today's video we are going to learn other type of market. In last video we have done with a perfect competition. Now we are going to do imperfect competition. So before start the concept imperfect competition, let me tell you that what is market. So market is an arrangement where buyer and seller come together buying and selling goods and services. Then market classified into two categories, that is perfect and imperfect competition. About perfect competition I already explained that perfect competition introduced by Adam Smith and it is totally imaginary concept. Then imperfect competition classified into many categories. So number one category that we are going to do, that is called monopoly market. So monopoly is a type of imperfect competition. This is a real world competition. So first of all, the word monopoly derived from Greek word. Mono means what? So the word monopoly derived from Greek word. Mono means single, poly means seller. So the market where there is a single seller is known as monopoly market. So the market where there is a single seller is known as monopoly market. There are various type of monopoly market: public monopoly, private monopoly, then discrimination in price monopoly, cartel monopoly, natural monopoly. For example, railway is a type of monopoly. So the word monopoly means the market where there is a single seller. Then monopoly market have some features, or we can say characteristic. So number one feature of monopoly market is that single firm. In monopoly market, there is no competitor. He is a single firm in entire market. He can enjoy the entire economies of market. He can easily get the advantages in the market because सामने कोई competitor ही नहीं है. So in monopoly market there is a single seller. Then number two is a no substitute. First of all, the word substitute means when one commodity is not available, we can use other. That is called substitute. But as I told you, in monopoly market, whatever commodity firm is selling, he is only one. Means in monopoly market there is a single firm only. So there is no chance to get any substitute. Whatever commodity firm is selling, उसका कोई substitute है ही नहीं. क्यों? Because already in the market there is a single firm. So in a single firm market, whatever commodity firm is selling, there is no substitute. मोनोपोली मार्केट में ऑलरेडी एक ही फर्म है और जो कमोडिटी वो बेच रहा है उसका कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट अवेलेबल ही नहीं है. सो दैट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ मोनोपोली मार्केट इज दैट whatever commodity firm is selling in the monopoly market, that commodity does not have any type of substitute. Next is no entry. Like in other market, in monopoly market the entry of new firm is not possible. It means that he cannot enter into the market. The entry is highly restricted. So that in monopoly market there is a single firm and there is no competitor because entry ही possible नहीं है. For example, now the biggest monopoly example is public railway. Now public monopoly example is railway. Government cannot allow private firm to start their own railway. So entry ही possible नहीं है. जो रेलवे गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में है या द रेलवे विच इज़ अंडर कंट्रोल बाय गवर्नमेंट, उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट एंटिटी को अथॉरिटी नहीं दे सकती. प्राइवेट एंटिटी कैन स्टार्ट अदर थिंग लाइक मेट्रो, बुलेट ट्रेन एंड ऑल, बट दे कैन नॉट अलाउ एनी प्राइवेट एंटिटी कि आप भी रेलवे स्टार्ट करो. सो इन मोनोपोली मार्केट एंट्री ऑफ न्यू फर्म इज़ हाईली रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, मतलब एंट्री ही अलाउड नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. Supernormal profit is also known as excess profit. Now in monopoly market, firm always earn supernormal profit. Why? First reason, he is a single in the market. Second, there is no competitor. Third, whatever commodity he is selling and whatever service he is providing, there is no substitute. And fourth reason, entry of new firm is not possible. So he is alone in the market. He can enjoy the entire economies of the market. He can easily increase and decrease the price according to his choice. So that in monopoly market, firm always earn supernormal profit, or we can say excess profit. when firm can earn supernormal profit or excess profit, when TR greater than TC. TR means total revenue and TC means total cost. So whenever firm total revenue is greater than total cost, that time in monopoly market firm always earn excess profit or supernormal profit. Next is discrimination in price. The word discrimination means difference. So discrimination in price means when firm charges different prices for goods and services from different customer for the same commodity. That is called discrimination in price. So in monopoly market, as we know very well, there is no competitor and there is no close substitute. So whatever commodity he is selling, that same commodity he can sell at different price to different customer. For example, if we'll talk about railway service, so in railway service there is a different ticket for first class, second class, different ticket for adult, different ticket for old age, different ticket for small children. Same here if we'll talk about electricity use, private monopoly. So government already ordered that there will be different charges for electricity at domestic level and different charges of electricity at industrial level. So in monopoly market the discrimination in price is possible. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं है. सो फॉर सेम कमोडिटी और फॉर सेम सर्विस ही कैन चार्ज different प्राइस फ्रॉम different कस्टमर. Next is control over supply. Okay, in monopoly market, whatever service and commodity he is supplying in the market, that commodity supply and service supply he can easily control. इसका मतलब है कि monopoly firm have a power that he can easily control the supply of goods and services in the market. वो जब चाहे तब supply को कंट्रोल कर सकता है, बिकॉज ही इज़ नोइंग वेरी वेल वॉट एवर कमोडिटी आई एम सेलिंग उसका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर है नहीं, so that he can easily control over market. Then no distinction in a firm and industry. First of all, distinction means different. Okay, what is firm? Firm means a single businessman and industry means group of businessmen. Now as we know very well, a first feature of monopoly कि already in a monopoly market there is a single firm, तो वही firm होगा और वही industry होगी. Firm means single businessman, industry means group of businessmen. But in monopoly market, there is already single firm, so he is only firm and he is only industry. So in monopoly market, there is no distinction in a firm and industry. Then next is price maker. Okay, as we know about the first very important feature of monopoly, that in monopoly market, a firm is a single. Or we can say the market where there is a single seller is known as monopoly market. So whatever commodity he is selling, then he is only going to decide the price of the product. He don't want to ask other firm, then he don't want to depend on market demand and supply. He can decide the price of product on his own. सो मोनोपोली मार्केट में जो फर्म है वो अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस खुद डिसाइड करता है. सो ही इज़ अ प्राइस मेकर ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. He is not a taker. He decides the price of his product on his own. So that in monopoly market, a firm is a price maker. Then next is the shape of demand curve. Okay, in monopoly market, the shape of demand curve is downward sloping, less elastic. Or we can also say the shape of demand curve is a flatter, downward sloping in monopoly market. क्यों? Why the shape of demand curve is a downward sloping and less elastic? Reason we'll understand with the help of diagram. So in the diagram you can see y-axis represent price, x-axis represent quantity, and the shape of demand curve is downward sloping, less elastic. You can also say downward sloping in a flatter way. See, in monopoly market, whenever firm increase the price of product, people cannot रिड्यूस एंड कट डाउन कंजम्पशन एट अ टाइम. तो अगर मोनोपोली मार्केट में फर्म अपने प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस बढ़ाता है तो लोग एक साथ उसका कंजम्पशन कम नहीं कर सकते. वाई? बिकॉज देर इज़ नो अदर सब्स्टिट्यूट. अगर गवर्नमेंट ने रेलवे के टिकट इंक्रीज़ कर दिए तो पीपल कैन नॉट डिक्रीज द कंजम्पशन एंड यूजेबिलिटी ऑफ रेलवे एट अ वंस. मतलब एक साथ वो कम नहीं कर सकते. they will start to decrease consumption very slowly, so that monopoly फर्म मोनोपोली मार्केट में एक तो कोई कॉम्पिटिटर नहीं और दूसरा उसका कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट भी नहीं। तो इफ़ प्राइस विल इंक्रीज देन पीपल विल स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग लेस बट वेरी स्लोली, सो दैट अगर प्राइस बढ़ भी गया तो डिमांड का विल डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग बट वेरी स्लोली, so that in the fill in the blank it can come the shape of demand curve in monopoly market is dash, then answer will be downward sloping less elastic, or we can also say downward sloping in a flatter way. So these are the features of monopoly market firm. I hope student this video will definitely help you, and listen this video again and again. There are many fill in the blanks which will help you. So thank you so much. God bless you, and watch video again and again.